Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants. We are starting off with this beautiful marigold. This is called Cresta Flame. We first saw this at a trade show in Ohio and made a beautiful planter. It was just solid marigolds. Now these are going to grow about 10 to 12 inches tall. The thing with marigolds, they're going to do best in sun. You can grow them in partial sun all the way to full sun. So if you had a spot that only had morning sun and that was it, they would do okay. But they can take the heat and they can take the sun. So don't be afraid to put these in a super sunny spot that maybe dries out a bit. And if the leaves get a little wilty, that'll let you know it is time to water. So yeah, very pretty color and I love it. It is stunning. So I think I'll do a planter of these just for myself. I love it so much. Our second item for today's top 5 is this geranium. It is called Geranium Galaxy Raspberry Sizzle. The Galaxy series are going to grow about 14 inches tall by 14 inches wide. So it will bulk up and fill out a lot. This color is so bright. It is a super bright magenta with like a hint of red in the eye. I hope you can see that as well as I can. It is stunning. These would be stunning window boxes, beautiful planters, containers. Geraniums are heat and drought tolerant, so you can put it in a super sunny spot and it can take the heat, whereas something that could also take the heat, like a petunia, is going to drink 2 to 3 times the amount of water. So if water maintenance is an issue for you, consider planting geraniums. Our third item today is an edible vegetable. So this is Cucamelon. Cucamelon make a teeny tiny little cucumber that almost look like a miniature watermelon, and you can just pop them into your mouth and eat them. We sell these in 6-packs like you see here, and we've got lots of them. So if you're looking for Cucamelon, you can't plant these outside until it is super warm. Like I would say first week of June. You can put them in hanging baskets and containers. They vine really nicely, so if you give them something to attach to, they'll climb up. And if you put them in a planter, they'll just sort of be this big hairy mess. Last summer, my son Clayton put some in a big pot, and he actually just zip tied some bamboo sticks, and they climbed it. It looked really cool, and we ate a lot of cucamelons off of it. So yeah, grow it hot and sunny like a cucumber. Make sure to keep it hydrated. Our fourth item for today's top 5 is this beautiful double petunia. Now look at that color. The edging, it is almost like a deep magenta purple with a cream edge, and it is called Tumbelina Superstar. It is really pretty. We had this last year. Our double petunias are going to grow in just a nice muffin top over a planter. By the end of summer, they'll probably hang about halfway down that pot. They're not wavy like some of our other more vigorous petunias, but they do reward you with these beautiful blooms. Of all the petunias we grow, the only ones that need deadheading are the doubles. And that's because these petunias are so dense, the blooms, that they don't dry off very well. They don't dry up very well when they're done. And if you just clean it every couple of weeks, you'll have a way tidier planter. That color's stunning, and I think you'll like it. If you come look, we have all the colors of them. Very nice. Grow petunias in part shade all the way to full sun. They'll do better in more sunlight. Our last item for today's top 5 is this super cute Sanvitalia. This is a very, very tiny bloom, like really the size of my fingernail, but it's going to get loaded in them. So it's going to make a nice puffy mound. As you can see, it's kind of upright, but it will make a nice full mound. I would say it'll probably fill in a good 8 to 10 inches easily. Now, these are super heat and drought tolerant. So if you have the sunny spot that's hard to keep well watered, you can add Sanvitalia to your containers and they'll just thrive and do really well for you. That's today's top 5 plants. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.